guys, how are you doing? Welcome. So today we're having a train ride, actually first experience of the SGR train, and we are going to the land of Norway actually. So we are going to SUSWA. This is actually on the New Year. Happy New Year, guys, if you're watching this. And we're gonna go and see what an amazing experience we'll have there. So I'll document everything on the road. So one thing about the SGR that I've noticed is that actually it keeps time, guys, because the ticket actually indicated that the departure time is about 9:24, and actually the journey started exactly 9:24 on the dot. So next time, actually check on your timeline and make sure you keep time. So one observation also is that this is a smooth ride actually. Yeah, it's a very smooth ride, and it's a nice experience, and also able to enjoy the beautiful view of Kajiado County. Yeah, like the top, or actually traveling from the top. So guys, stay tuned, watch the video, like, you can share with your friends. So guys, this is actually you see the rail line. So we've arrived at the Ngong SGR station. So I think we'll be continuing with the next journey. So guys, we've literally entered the tunnel. Yeah, so I think along the way there's a tunnel, and so dark. So the flashes you see, I think, is some sort of security lights along the way. It's just some nice experience. Actually, some people literally cry. It's like they cry. They go into a mess. Whoa, such a nice experience. So this is the inside. Yeah, this is literally how the place looks like.
Nikiwa tu vizuri. Lakini kazi ile za kosi ndio kuacha unajaribu hadi kanyagalari watu hata ujio ile wanachamba zile so wengi ongeza kutana bibi bila street nilikutana nayo kwanza au ikienda lori hata ndio ipati unaona kutakuja inaenda zile zinakutana.
So guys, literally this I think is so guys, this is Narok County. So our journey took almost 1 hour. Yeah, from 𝖕𝖆𝖆𝖈𝖍. So Narok is one of the counties in Kenya. We are here, guys. Actually, we shall try to explore the place and see how this place has to offer for us. Yeah, but if you want to just have a nice train experience, this SGR experience, this is literally the place for you guys. Observation of, look how dry this place is. So this is so dry. So actually this is place for good for camping. Yeah, just come and camp and have an experience of the nature.
For those who need to use the restroom, you may alight as well.
So guys, this is 𝖕𝖆𝖈𝖍 SGR station. It has a VIP lounge. So guys, we are at the SUSWA train station. We're just from actually living on here. So I think this one is 2 bogies long. So this is actually the route. So let's go and continue with the journey, guys. We shall be updating you. Okay, so we're literally inside, looking for a seat now. I think it's here. It's my VIP lounge. So far so good. It's been an amazing journey. Yeah, we've reached about 1 hour to the SUSWA. Yeah, it really took 1 hour. Yeah, actually, it's been 1 hour. So I can't believe that actually we literally almost missed the train, guys. We almost missed the train. I was about some seconds, let's say some seconds late. No, it was the time of departure. So, but it's okay. Yeah, right. It's okay. So let's continue with our journey. Yeah, so I think people are just refreshing, you know. Yeah, if you know, you know, right? If you know, you know. So stay tuned. So we are actually departing from this session to it's so sunny. Yeah, think I can just open some business around. So there's a hill somewhere there. Okay. Yeah, literally that's
Unaona zile satellite hizo watu waliloot hizo kwa KBC.
Yeah, look how this place is just beautiful. Despite the fact that actually it's dry land. Yeah, despite the fact that it's dry land, this place looks amazing. So there are actually those hills. I can see some hills. Looks like escarpment. People of geography, what is an escarpment? Escarpment. Yeah. Looks amazing. Isn't it, guys? Okay, look at this depression. Oh, it's a road actually. It's like it was cut. Also, we were told that's Mount 𝖕𝖆𝖆𝖆.
Unaona zile gari, unaona ziwachi train na zile gari zimelipa. Zile gari ziko kaso. Hizo gari mbili ziko kaso na ziwachi.
So this place looks amazing, and I'm told there's a gym here actually. So literally it's like this soil on the ground that we're seeing. I've been told that it can be used for actually construction, and one wheelbarrow costs literally about $2 in Nairobi. So the only problem is actually the means of transportation, because it's literally free here. You just have to pay the county council for you to actually dig the extra. So we have seen some small structures of houses around. Yeah, we're seeing some small structures around here. Small houses, Manyatta houses. These are like let's say Maasai houses, right? So guys, we are lighting at the SUSWA train station. So let's go and try to explore. Sorry. Let's go and try to explore and see how the place looks like. So it's been amazing. I think total passengers were around approximately it's like two. So we are just checking out the exit. Yeah, and the place looks amazing, guys. The place looks amazing. That's called brace. There's that called brace around the place. Yeah, it just makes spectacular, amazing. So we shall be looking for activities to do here. Yeah, so we are here somewhere at the SUSWA train station. Yeah, and it's amazing. Look at those amazing people. Look at all those amazing people. Yeah. So guys, let me give you a 360 view of the place, how the place looks like. So it's really sunny. It's really sunny. So this is how the place looks like. This is SUSWA train station, literally. Okay. So there's a strong wind. Hi. Okay. There are places actually to go. Feel like there's a Manyatta. There's a hot spring. There are caves to explore. It's a good place for camping. If you want to see the game reserve, you should actually try to do it. I want to pass somewhere here. It literally looks amazing. Yeah. And up was somewhere. Look how. Look. It's like some VIP treatment. So I'll be taking along. And want to see an amazing place actually to explore. To explore in SUSWA. So we are somewhere look at the back. That is literally the train station. Yeah, that's the train station. So the SUSWA train station. And then actually, yeah. So yeah. So this is how the place looks like, so dry. When they say actually it's like train to SUSWA is a train to nowhere, they literally means it. Yeah, they literally means it. So I'll try to get to Mount SUSWA. I'll try to look for a Manyatta house. Also some hot springs and see how the place looks like. So let me Google. See you on the video.